Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen, sharing with you today this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance, available here in stunning Nightshade blue metallic colour and powered by 1.5 eTSI petrol hybrid engine with 150 PS of power and DSG gearbox. In the front you'll find factory upgraded HD matrix adaptive LED headlights which will provide maximum illumination, whilst around the side 19-inch Catania black diamond turned alloy wheels will really contrast beautifully. In the rear, signature shaped LED taillights will offer this coast to coast design, and this model even has been upgraded with a panoramic sunroof with a tilt and sliding option. Power operated liftgate with keyless entry and style reveal and more than practical load area featuring 40-20-40 folding split seats, whilst passengers inside will also have benefit of this part leather suede seats with seating for 3, center arms of cup holders, ambient lighting and even their very own climate control. In the front is the real treat here with multicolor ambient lighting as well as front bucket sport seats that will really hug you in. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel which is heated, operating the digital cockpit up ahead. Choose from customizable screens that you project the most and find your favorite ones, and the heated steering wheel will come in handy during the cold winter months. The large InnoVision cockpit is an absolute joy to use and features a more bespoke menu as well. Pairing your phone through Bluetooth is incredibly easy, whilst FM and DAB digital radio receptions will always be on offer. Built-in satellite navigation will ensure you never get lost, with numerous vehicle system settings allowing for further personalization. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is on offer, with a host of active safety systems to protect you and your occupant at all times. Other great features will incorporate numerous drive modes prioritizing sporty feel or a more eco-efficient one. Background lighting, as I mentioned earlier, you choose from various multi-colors that you really like, and it really must be seen especially when traveling in the evening. Other great features will also incorporate massage seats in the front, which will come in handy for those of you spending a lot of time behind the wheel. There's even an adjustable speaker sound system on offer, and Volkswagen's new IDA AI system which can come in handy too. Helping you park is an area view parking camera of wide angle lens, as well as even park assist functionality, allowing the car to automatically park itself in a bay. Whatever the weather, easy to use 2-zone climate control system is also on offer with heated front seats, whilst overhead you'll find easy controls to operate the electric